Hi, my name is Roberto Veliz. I am the lead plumber at San José State. Welcome to a day in my life. I've been pretty much plumbing for 25 years. We'll have the guys will go and take a look, check the mechanical rooms, check boiler rooms, check temperatures, booster pumps, sump pumps, kind of make sure everything's up and working right, and the building has hot water for in the housing, at least for the students. A lot of times I'll be in the office, and we'll be checking work orders, and we'll send the guys out, give them work orders in the morning. They'll go out and check clogged toilets, get calls for that, and then sometimes tubs, hot water issues. We have to go take a look at that stuff and make sure the boilers are up, or if it's just a bad cartridge or something on the valve. If something is wrong, then we get back, and either we could go out and pick up parts, or sometimes we have parts in hand and we'll get it fixed up and get them up and running again. There's 3 sections. It'll be a CVA, CVB, and CVC. This is the parking garage down here. We'll go by and I can show you some of like the mechanical rooms. We'll come in here, and this is a heat exchanger. It runs with steam. So it heats the water, then they go into holding tanks over here. And then we got booster pumps that help recirculate the hot water to bring it back and to boost the water into the building as well. We have booster pumps that pushes the pressure up, because you can't get the city pressure up that high. The buildings are so high. Like during this time is when we do a lot of our repairs. When no one's here, we'll shut buildings down, and on those repairs we couldn't get during the school year, where they're really busy, we can't get into certain areas or shut buildings down. We'll do it during this time. Be open-minded. Let other guys, give their opinions on how they do things. Of course, everyone's got their ways of doing things. Everyone's, some guys are smarter at doing certain things. Other guys are smarter at doing other things. So just kind of work together and have patience sometimes with other people. We got the softener system in, but it's not up and running yet. We just installed this, but we got to finish wiring it up and then open it up, get it fired up. There's a pump over there, a control board for the fountain. Right here, we just got this one. Sometimes it's fun when the sewer backs up, we have to snake it through here. I'm Roberto Veliz, the lead plumber at San José State. Thank you for joining us. We are Spartans.